Hello everyone, I just wanted to share a rough patch that I've been going through. I turned on my CNC machine the other day and it wouldn't boot up. Every time I would turn the machine on, it would boot up, say it was initializing the CPU, and then I'd get the Centroid error that was a timeout error 64180. After researching some online, I realized that this had to do with the PCI card. So I tried reseating the card in the PCI slot. I tried cleaning the PCI Goldfinger contacts. I tried disconnecting, reconnecting all the cables, but still I was getting the same error. It was an emotional time and I stayed up way too late, getting more and more frustrated. And even the dogs were distraught. So after getting some good rest, I finally decided to remove the PCI card and inspect it in much more detail. What I found was that one of the vias, which are the connections through the circuit board, had a little spot of greenish blue on it. That is often a sign of copper corrosion. I cleaned it up a bit with isopropyl alcohol to get a better look at it. I used a multimeter to check the continuity from one side of the via to the trace connecting to it, and sure enough, there was only a marginal capacitive connection. The corrosion had eaten through all the good copper. As a quick check, I globbed some solder across the broken via and reinstalled the board.
Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this does it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 5. You can do it. I know you want to. Thinking about it. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes! Oh, that's a good sound. Yes, it works.
Hail the conquering hero!
Alright, perfect. Now I know that this one trace was the problem. I can clean it up further, scrape the solder mask off a section of the trace, and solder in a tiny strand of wire. Then it was all fixed.
He's moving again. Yay! Good job, Clive.
So my giant CNC machine was fixed by one tiny strand of 3mm long wire. So if you run into a problem, it's okay to be sad, but I hope you take the time and effort to figure out what the problem is and solve it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck solving all the issues in the world. See you next time.